Well, hello everyone, this is Mohammad Badruddin and today I'm going to solve a machine from Tryhackme. The machine name is AgentSudo. The machine difficulty level is easy, but this is pretty good machine because you have many things to do like solve the steganography, cracking the hashes and OSINT, which is open source intelligence. So let's go and we will start from the reconnaissance phase where we are going to use the technique which is active information gathering, and we will perform that information gathering with Nmap tool. So I already ran the scan to save the time, but I am going to describe the switches. So space hyphen S capital V for the version enumeration, SC for default scripts, and T4 where T is the timing template and 4 is the value. So timing template from 0 to 5, 0 is the lowest one and 5 is the highest one. This is the target IP and I save the scan results in default.nmap. So I am going to show you the result of nmap scan. 3 ports are open, port number 21 FTP and version is VS FTPD 3.0.3. The second port is port number 22 which is open and default for SSH, and the service is running OpenSSH 7.6p1. And the third port is port number 80 TCP port. This state of this port is open, default for HTTP, and the server running on it is Apache HTTPD, version is 2.4.29. So clear this and come here. I will start it from the port number 80. So I already created a record. If I show you here, grab agentsudo.thm etc host file. So as you can see, this is the IP and this is the domain name. So now I can access the target machine port number 80 by this name. Fine. So come here, let's say http://agentsudo.thm, hit enter, and as you can see, dear agents, use your own code name as user agent to access this site from agent R. So this message is sent by agent R, where R is the code name. This is, you can say, all the agents have a code name. So this agent has code name R. So maybe there are different agent code, their code name may be A, B, C, D, like agent A, agent B, agent C, agent D, like this. So come back here and I am going to capture the request. So enable the burp proxy on it and just hit enter and forward. Okay, come here, there is no difference, but come back here, go to the HTTP history, and this is the request. So I'm going to send this request to the repeater, go to the repeater, and here instead of repeater, actually we should send this request to the intruder. Come to the intruder position. So we need to change this value, right? According to the site, we need to use our own code name as user agent. Add this one. Fine. Or we can write clear everything. We can remove this whole value. We can say A and we can add it here. Fine. Now go to the attack type is sniper, is okay. Go to the payload and here we can add, remove this. Let's say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So we add all the user agent's name from A to Z, because here as you can see agent R is there, so maybe other characters are there. So just resource pool is okay, options okay, and just start the attack. So as you can see here, this value has a status code 200 and the length is 409, and rest of all the requests have a status code to 409, but this request is different and the status code is 302, which is redirect us, and the length is different. So you can see the request here, user agent is C, and if we see the response, so response is something else. And if we go to the response, so you can see the location is agent_c_attention.php. Fine, so that means C is the correct value, and we will see rest of them are 200 and length is 409. There is one more, which is agent R. So if we see the request of agent R, and let's see a response for agent R, so there is something else. What are you doing? Are you one of the 25 employees? If not, I am going to report this incident. So this is not interesting, but for agent C, we can see here. Okay, so we need to, now we know this file, so I'm just going to copy this, come here and close the burp proxy and just paste that here and hit enter. So as you can see, the content is changed and attention Chris. This is information disclosure because here the agent name is leaked. Fine, what it's saying that, do you still remember our deal? Please let agent J about the stuff as soon as possible. Also change your goddamn password is weak. That means the Chris password is weak password. So let's go first and we will see how many questions we have covered up to now. We already started the machine. Go to the enumeration phase. How many ports are open? So we found 3 ports. How you redirect yourself to a security page from user agent. Fine, because we changed the value of user agent. And what is the agent name? So agent name is Chris. Right answer. Now the third task, hash cracking and brute force. So FTP password, we don't know FTP password, but because we know the valid username, so we can go and brute force for the FTP password. And we will use Hydra. So Hydra space hyphen small l for the username, which is Chris space hyphen p for the password, but we don't know the password, so we will use the word list, and for that we will use the switch space hyphen p user share word list rocky.txt. Fine, and we are going to brute force FTP. So FTP : / and the IP of the machine of the target. Hit enter. Let's see what we will get. Okay, the next question is zip file password. So once we crack the FTP password and we will access the FTP files, so we will get the zip file, I think, and we have to crack the password because the zip file will be password protected. So from this question, I can guess what is next. So I'm going to pause the video, and once it's completed, I will come back. Welcome back, guys, and as you can see, we get the password for Chris user. So I am going to copy this and paste with me, keep with me. So the password is Crystal. I'm going to copy it, come back here, and this is going to be the FTP password, submit, and the answer is correct. Now we will go and we will access the FTP. So FTP : FTP and the IP address of the target, which is this. Copy, come back here, paste that, hit enter. So the name is Chris and the password is crystal, right? And we are logged in, ls space -la, and there are 3 files. So I'm going to copy all these 3 files. So it is going to say that you want it, yes, you want it, the second one and the third one. So we copy all the files. So just say bye ls space -la, and as you can see, this is the first file, this is the second file, and this is the third file. So this is the text file. That's why I first wanna see this file. And here, as you can see, dear agent J, all these alien like photos are fake. Means there are 2 photos and it's saying alien like photos are fake. So agent R stored the real picture inside your directory. Your login password is somehow stored in the fake picture. So it should not be a problem for you, right? Because we can extract the files and the password from the images. So in this case, there is steganography comes in the picture. So first of all, I want to see which kind of file this is. Paste that here, hit enter, and as you can see, this is JPEG image data. Okay, and let's try to use exif tool and CUTE-alien, hit enter, and that is gonna say nothing much interesting here. Fine, very well. Let's see, I'm going to that directory, thm AgentSudo, open the folder, and now this is the cute alien, this is qt.png. I wanna try this on another file. So exif tool, qt.png, hit enter, and adaptive binary data something is there in this file. So let's see, I want to test this file with binwalk, and here let's test another file with binwalk. And cute alien. So as you can see, this file actually contains some compressed data. Fine, so let's try to extract here, and this file is JPEG file, so nothing interesting there, but we will also see the stack hide. So here we will use binwalk space -e switch to extract the zip file from this file. So hit enter, and binwalk extract exception. Binwalk extraction uses many third-party utilities, run as root, and blah blah blah. Clear. Binwalk instead of space -e here, let's try here. The same thing, use run as root. Let's see, we will use this. So copy, clear, binwalk, run as root, hit enter. Hopefully this time we get something, and yeah, it seems like we have something now. And yeah, this time it's extracted this value, this file, this directory. So let's see what's inside this directory. ls space -a underscore qt.png extracted, and there are many files. So this is the zlib file, and this is the zip file, and there is one more text file. So first of all, I am going to read this text file, cd_qt, hit enter, and clear ls space -la, and let's say to agent r.text. There is nothing. Let's see this zip file. So come here, this is the extracted file. Open this. There is nothing. Come back here, extract this file. There is to agent r. So extract here, but this file is password protected. So here we need to use zip to John. So clear zip to John, and the file name is 8702 zip, and I'm going to save the hash in hash. Okay, hit enter and cat hash. So this is gonna be your hash for this zip file, right? Now we need to crack this hash with the John. So John, and the file name is hash space -w for the word list, and I'm going to use user share word list rocku.txt. Hit enter, and immediately we will get the password for this file, which is alien. So I'm going to keep this with me, copy, come here, and paste it here. So now the zip file password is alien. Now stack password. Okay, first of all, I am going to extract this file. So come here, extract it here, alien alien, and this is here, this one. So agent C, we need to send you the picture to this as soon as possible. So let's see what this is. That seems base 64. So come here, clear this, echo, paste that, and pipe it with base 64 space -d to decode, and the password is area 51. Fine. So copy this and come here, let's see, paste area 51. Let's see, stack password area 51. This is the correct answer. Now who is the other agent? So to find out the other agent, I think we will go for the next file, which is cute-alien. So because we see that cute-alien that gets nothing with the binvox, so I'm going to use stack hide on it. So stack hide info, and let's say first of all I need to come back to this directory, clear ls and stack hide info, and this is the file name. Paste that here, hit enter. Yes. So as you can see, format is JPEG. Could not extract any data with that passphrase. Okay, so let's see. Yes, area 51. Oh, come on. Clear. Stack hide. Let's see. There is an option which is, if I show you here, clear stack hide space -h, hit enter. It's saying we need to use --help and SF for stagno file and this one is for extracting the data. So hyphen extract, and I wanna extract the stegno file. Passphrase, nothing. Okay, we got two passwords, right? Area 51 and alien. Let's try this one. Copy as the passphrase, paste, hit enter. Oh, that's the problem. area 51, and yeah, area 51 was the password. So now we can see that the message.txt file is extracted, ls and message.txt is there. So clear cat message message.txt, hit enter, and again information disclosure because the agent name should be secret. So hi James, glad you to finish the message. Your login password is this. Fine. So username is James and this is the password. So I'm going to keep it with me. Let's say username is James and the password is gonna be this. No. Copy and paste it here. Now come here. The other username is James and SSH password, which is I think this one. So copy, come here, paste, hit enter, and yeah, this is the right answer. So now we can access the user with the SSH. So clear SSH and James at AgentSudo.thm, hit enter. Yes, and just paste the password, hit enter, and we are logged in. So clear ID James, ls space hyphen la, and cat user flag dot text. So this is gonna be the first flag, which I take it from here and paste that here. Fine. What is the incident of the photo called? So there is one photo which is alien autopsy.jpeg. So we are going to get this photo. So come here, clear, and let's say nc space hyphen nlvp on port number 9090, and we will receive the file which is this. So paste that here. Fine, hit enter, and from here we will see first netcat is there or not. So netcat is here. nc 10 dot, what is my IP? 10.18.2.185, and port number is 9090. I'm listening on port number 9090, and I am sending this photo. Fine, hit enter, and here the connection is established and we got the file. So close this and ls space hyphen la. So where is it? Alien autopsy.jpg, this one. Fine. So we need to find out which incident of this photo called, and we will do it later because this is OSINT, open source intelligence challenge, and I will do it later. But first of all, I will go for the privilege escalation. So for privilege escalation, we can enumerate more. Like first of all, I am going to see what is the version of this Linux machine, target machine, and I will try sudo space hyphen L. It is asking for the James password, which we already have. So copy this, come here, paste that, hit enter, and yeah. So James can run sudo all bin bash apostrophe root, that means not root, sudo /bin/bash, hit enter, and sorry, user James is not allowed to execute bin bash as root. So this is saying not root. Fine. Okay, so we need to find out one more thing. Let's see, sudo space hyphen capital V. This is the sudo version. Sudo version this, copy, come back here, paste that, exploit, hit enter, privilege escalation sudo version. Vulnerable sudo version. So this is 1.8.21. And yeah, as you can see, this is the sudo space hyphen L result. So exploit is this. So I'm just going to copy this and come back here, paste it, hit enter, and as you can see, we are root. So id, who am I? So I am root. cd/root ls space hyphen la cat root.txt, and this is the root flag. So copy this. So this is the root flag first of all, and the CVE version. So I think this one. So copy, come here. This is the CVE. No, this is not the right answer. Here in this part, they did not describe the CVE. This one could be. In sudo before this, and we have 1.8.21. So most probably this could be the CVE. Paste it, hit enter, and yeah, this is the CVE. Now bonus is who is agent R. As we can see here, agent R is Mr. Hacker, to Mr. Hacker by this agent R. So maybe this one. Come here and just paste that here, hit enter, and it is it. Fine. Now we have just one thing rest, which is open source intelligence. So I'm going to open google.com. I don't need this now. No, don't need this. Fine. Images, not file. Search by image, upload an image, browse here, and Tryhackme, AgentSudo, alien autopsy. So as you can see, because this file seems like the scientific autopsy process, alien autopsy. So open it in a new tab. This is taking time. So this one, watch storming area 51, because in the previous task we found area 51. So I am going to open this image, this link, and watch storming area 1. There is something about UFO, about alien, and come back, alien crash. UFO has been recovered, and gray alien, this is the thing. So gray alien did crash at Roswell and bodies were stored at area 51. So again, more purchase, watch party. So I think we can say it. Roswell, alien, autopsy. Hit enter. What is the spelling of it? Roswell, not Rose. So Roswell, alien, autopsy. And yeah, this is the right answer. So congratulations, we solved the lab. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. And if you have any query, please put your query in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.